Once, giant predators ruled the earth. Some conquered the land, others the sky, and some mastered the waters. But one creature refused to fit within those borders. It could live both in water and on land, yet belonged fully to neither. Its strength rivaled the mighty T-Rex, but its way of hunting was entirely different. It was the shadow slicing through the water's surface, unseen, silent, deadly. Spinosaurus, a massive theropod dinosaur that lived around 95 to 99 million years ago in the middle of the Cretaceous period. Its name comes from Greek. Spina means spine, and sauros means lizard. Together, the spined lizard. Spinosaurus was discovered in 1912 in Egypt's western desert by the German paleontologist Ernst Stromer. Sadly, its precious fossils were destroyed during World War II when the Munich Museum was bombed. For decades, this magnificent creature remained one of science's lost mysteries. Then, in the 2000s, new bones found in Morocco's Kem beds finally brought those mysteries back to light. Spinosaurus, the first great dinosaur that hunted in water, a discovery that completely changed how we see dinosaurs. It lived among swamps, rivers, and deltas in what is now North Africa during the Cretaceous period. The region was warm, humid, and filled with water, a perfect hunting ground. It reached about 15 to 16 meters in length and weighed up to 6 or 7 tons. The huge sail on its back, 2 meters tall, formed by long spine bones, was likely used to regulate body temperature, attract mates, or scare rivals. Its long crocodile-like snout and sharp cone-shaped teeth were perfect for catching slippery fish. Its short legs and powerful paddle-like tail were clear signs of a creature built for swimming. The story of Spinosaurus is one of the most dramatic tales in dinosaur science. Ernst Stromer opened a new chapter in paleontology, but that chapter was erased by war. For years, only sketches and notes remained, until new fossils surfaced in Morocco nearly a century later. Those discoveries revealed that Spinosaurus was not a land predator, but a semi-aquatic hunter fully adapted to life in the water. From then on, the idea that Spinosaurus hunted only on land was left behind. Near the end of the Cretaceous period, Spinosaurus vanished. Climate shifts, changing rivers, and a decline in fish populations disrupted its fragile ecosystem. Then came the asteroid impact and the mass extinction that followed, erasing its kind forever. Today, most Spinosaurus fossils are found in Morocco. Scientists believe its tail worked like a fin, its bones were dense and water-resistant, and its nostrils moved upward, helping it breathe while swimming. In modern reconstructions, it's often shown as a creature that moves like a tiger, yet hunts like a crocodile. A new way of life, proof of evolution's endless creativity. Spinosaurus was nature's bold experiment. It sought to rule the deep waters, but the world wasn't quite ready for such change. Its bones may have turned to stone, but its story still lives on, because nature never stops trying. Spinosaurus reminds us that evolution can lead to greatness or extinction. But in both cases, life always finds a way to continue. Thank you for watching. See you in another story, if fate allows.